Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about what to do when you purchase property and you have a trust. All right, before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, you can set up a time to talk with us over the phone for free by going to estatemeeting.com. All right, so property and trusts. We'll cover both spectrums here because why not? If you have a property and it's in a trust and you go to sell it, one of two things is going to happen. The mortgage, and you have a mortgage on it. Okay, if you do not have a mortgage on it, let's get that out of the way first. Scenario one: there's no mortgage on the property that you're selling. If there's no mortgage on that property, then you can just sign, and the trust is in your property. Then you can just sell the property as the trustee of your trust. Very straightforward. If you are buying a property and you are buying in cash, then again, you can just buy in the name of the trust. Okay, very simple. As the trustee of your trust. If you have a mortgage on the property and you are selling the property and it's in the trust, you're going to have to rely really on the title company and on what the mortgage company wants to make that transaction happen. Sometimes, if they just see a copy of your certification of trust, they're okay with doing the sale that way. Sometimes they want you to rename the property in your personal names and then do the transaction. Either way, it's not that difficult. It's like one extra step, but that's how it goes. When you're buying the property, however, if you're going to have a mortgage on it, 99.99% of the time, they're going to want you to buy the property in your name. Okay, they're going to want that mortgage in your name. The reason is, that's how they come after you if you don't pay. All right. So the way that it goes is typically you'll buy the property in your name, the mortgage will be in your name. Once you have closed on the sale of that property, you just talk to your attorney or you do whatever, you make a deed moving your property into your trust. Okay, it's just one extra step. That way, the mortgage company is satisfied. You've got your property in the trust where it should be. By the way, if you have real estate and you have a trust, please go and just double check that your property has been put into your trust. That is something that is often overlooked, and if it's not in the trust, that's a problem. You're gonna have probate. Okay, so go check that out. But that's how the transactions work. Relatively straightforward, relatively simple. The mortgage company is not allowed to whine or cry or do anything when you move your house into your trust, as long as it's a revocable living trust and it's your trust, because the transaction is deemed to be basically you giving it to yourself. Okay, that's the law. But that's it. So relatively straightforward. Hopefully it's answered your questions if you have questions related to this. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you have more questions, specific questions, or you need help with estate planning or probate, please go to estatemeeting.com. Set up a time to talk with us over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I'll see you again soon.